Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your temperature unit in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an EX 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in Gravity Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, I just want to note that in your instrument cluster here, in the bottom right, just above the odometer, you have your outside temperature. So right now it's saying it's about 15 degrees Celsius. Then down in our control center, if we flip it over to the climate controls, you're going to see we have our driver's side temperature and passenger side temperature, and they're both at 22 degrees Celsius right now. So if we want to adjust that, what we're going to do is we're going to head into setup, and we can either go into setup in the control center when infotainment controls are showing, or from the home screen, we can swipe to the left and enter setup there. Then we're going to go into general. On the left, we're going to pull up a little bit and we're going to go into units. And then you'll see right there in the middle, temperature unit, either Celsius or Fahrenheit. So if I go ahead and flip it to Fahrenheit, we'll notice that the outside temperature in the instrument cluster is now 58 degrees Fahrenheit. And down in our control center, when on climate controls, now your driver's side temperature is set to 72 degrees Fahrenheit and it's synced to the passenger side. So you can switch that back and forth as you want to, your personal preference. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.